Howdy guys, welcome to the cave. I'm Mark, and you're watching Blue Street Customs. Hey guys, welcome back to the cave. Today, I'm going to start the series of all the interior parts for the Large Playable Tavern that I'm building. So, I'm not sure how many there'll be. Just depends on how many things I want to build for inside. So, today's agenda: fireplace that I've made a template for. I've already started marking it out on here. So I'm going to have to cut all this up. I have my floor height marked out because part of this is going to be outside of the floor. There's a 1-inch wall, so part of that will be on the outside. So the stuff that's inside will have to be cut up, cut off, and we'll go from there. So today I'm going to be using my Olfa blade. I may have to put a new one on. Of course, a little X-Acto knife, maybe the ruler, pencil. I got my template, sandpaper. We're good to go. So let's get this started. Okay guys, now that we've got the basic shape cut out, I can start going around fine-tuning things. Once I've got things fine-tuned for the exact shape that I need, then I can go along and start making all my stone pattern, and we'll be good to go. So I'm going to clean up here, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, after I've sanded it a little bit, smoothed it out, rounded off some of these corners, because most of this is going to be flat stone. Now the inside I'm going to smooth out with a little bit of plaster. I got it as good as I could. Now out here on this edge and this one, I'm not sure if I want more of a cobblestone style or still going to go with flat stone. But here and here are flat stone, so I'm going to mark those out first. So as you can see, I stopped on the top. I can do this piece after because the other floor will be on top if I do one, and the chimney will continue up. And I haven't decided if this piece is going to be cobblestone or not yet. Now, same thing under here. This is going to sit on top of the floor, as you've probably seen as I was test fitting it. So you're not going to see under here anyways. Now I went all the way back inside, but most of that will be built up with fire and ash and logs, so you won't see most of that anyways. So there we go. Got some flat stone, cobblestone. Now, like I said, I'm going to smooth out inside here. You won't see this. You won't see that because there'll be more wall. And then I'll finish this side after, once all the walls are together. So, I haven't decided yet, but I'm thinking I might try something different to make all the grooves. Instead of trying to use a ballpoint pen, I might use my soldering iron. Very low heat. What the hell? Let's see if it works. Okay, guys. So I tried out the soldering iron. This one's a little hard to see. That's what I got. Not a bad result. So I went ahead and did it on here. Now it actually turned out pretty good. Now you have to pull off some strings here from when you're melting the styrofoam. That's not a big deal. A lot of that will probably lay down as well when you apply some Mod Podge to it. I also went along with tinfoil ball and gave it some texture afterwards. So that'll be the next thing I do. I'm going to coat this with Mod Podge, and when I do, I'll come back and show you. Okay guys, now that the Mod Podge is all painted up, I'm going to do the first color of gray. Okay, there you have it. You saw me put the colors on. You saw me put the black wash on. Now I'm going to let that dry. And I might touch it up just a little bit with some very light dry brushing. Probably ash gray. Just to bring out a couple little highlights. I also have to go and pretty much blacken out the inside and cause a little bit of smoke coming out of here. So I might use my airbrush for that to give it a nice foggy effect. Other than that, this here is pretty much done. Now the outside, I'll finish this after when I have the rest of the walls built so that I can continue on the texture properly. Then I'll paint that when I paint the walls. So until then, I'll let this dry and I'll be back to show you the final product. Alright guys, so the wash is all dry. So now I've just got a little bit of, what did I get? Ash gray. And I'm just going to do a very light touch up dry brushing here. Now something else I'm going to do is the soot area inside. there you go. A little bit of smoke out the side, both sides, you know, up through the top, across the front. Then you have ash pile and stuff that'll be in there. And of course, black through the chimney from the dirty soot from the wood. So there we go. That's that. And I think that's probably all I'm going to do for now. I have another fireplace to do. And once that one is done, then on both of them, I'll do my ash piles and stuff like that and the painting of the glowing embers and that. So we'll do the two of them at the same time. So for now, I'll leave that. Here you won't see because there'll be another wall butted up against it. And same with this side. So I just went around just a little bit. Here you won't see because that's where the floor will sit. And the back side, I'll finish this off once I have the rest of the walls ready to go. And then I can finish painting that up the same way. So for now, that's it. So if you have any comments, leave them down below. Let me know what you think I should try to build next. Should I do the next fireplace? Maybe the bar, the tables, chairs, who knows? Also, check me out on Instagram at Blue Streak Customs. Come check me out on my Facebook page at Mark Martel. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you can get notified for when I post videos so you don't miss any of these. And until then, later.